To add a Visa gift card to your Nintendo Switch, start by ensuring your console is connected to the internet and you have the latest system update installed. Next, go to the Nintendo eShop on your Switch, which can be found on the home screen. Select the eShop icon and navigate to the menu located at the top left corner of the screen. Then choose Enter Code. You will be prompted to sign in to your Nintendo account if you have not already done so. Now, select Add Funds or Balance. Then choose the option to add a credit or debit card. Enter the Visa gift card number, expiration date, and security code, which can be found on the back of the card. Make sure to enter the correct information to avoid any issues with the transaction. Once you have entered the required information, select Next to proceed. You will then be asked to confirm the payment method and agree to the terms and conditions. After confirming, the funds from the Visa gift card will be added to your Nintendo eShop balance. You can now use these funds to purchase games, in-game content, and other digital items from the Nintendo eShop. It is essential to note that some Visa gift cards may have restrictions or limitations, so it is crucial to check the card's terms and conditions before attempting to add it to your Nintendo Switch. To avoid any potential issues, ensure the Visa gift card has sufficient funds to cover the purchase amount, and it is not expired or blocked. By following these steps, you can easily add a Visa gift card to your Nintendo Switch and enjoy your favorite games and digital content.